Hello everyone, my name is Ashley Yeoman, and for my survey/forum tool I decided to use Poll Everywhere. In this tool I decided to create a survey of what animals live in the sea and which ones are the children's favorites. So in Poll Everywhere, basically what you can do is you can create a poll, you can create a quiz, multiple choice, etc. using this tool to gather information about your students. So as you can see, there's different tabs here. There's group, ungroup, download, report, clear and delete, and this you have to upgrade in order to get those, so I won't do that for the purposes of this video. But if you want to create a poll, you click up here to create, and you can see there's multiple choice, word cloud, question and answer, clickable image, survey, open-ended competitions, and more. So this has a whole variety of ways you can do it. So you type your question into here and then put your text or answer in this box. Then you could always add a picture or some image to help students get this across. So for mine, I have created this poll of which sea animal is my favorite. So I'll go and open it. So on the side, before I open it, you can see how many activities I have, and this one's ungrouped. So you can switch it, you can do ungrouped, and then you can also edit this to change it up if you need be, or you can share it with other people to have them respond to it, or you can also make another duplicate of this poll. So I'll go ahead and open it to show you what it looks like. So as you can see here, I have the question of which one's your favorite. So it has here how you can respond to my poll and then how you can answer the question. So on the left you have the actual names of the animals, and on the far right you have the letters of alphabet that correspond with the answer. And now if you hit show results, it will show what percentage of people answered for which animal. In doing this, I hope you learned how to use Poll Everywhere, and I hope that you can use this and integrate it into your own classroom and help you learn your own style. Thanks.